just testing out my new camcorder. I don't know if you'll notice a difference in the quality at all. Maybe, maybe not. Forgot what to say, but let's just go with, I'm liking it so far. It's very nice. It's comfy to hold. I've taken some pictures with it, so this is my first video test. I have it set in HD quality right now, so hopefully it comes out good. I keep blanking. I'm gonna end up pissing myself off. But yeah, anyway. So far it's a nice camcorder, so I keep getting distracted. But so far it's a nice camcorder. I like it. It's comfy. A lot better than my other ones. I don't know what to say. I should write something down and actually like read a script or something. But fuck it. Neckbeard. I'm being lazy lately because Holly's been sick and hasn't been at school, so I was like, hey, fuck it. But I don't know. This just a test. I have nothing really else to say. I'm just testing out the quality, see how it works out. You have something to say? Something to say? Alright. Can you at least wave for us? Say it. Say hi. There's a wave. Good enough. Yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like in the bathroom here. Because it looks nice. But, yeah. Oh, adjust the light now. Oh. Nice. I love it. Oh, you like that? You like that? I walk away and she starts talking. Let's see. Shit, she sees us. She's not dumb. But anyway, back on track. It's just a test to see how it works. Yeah. I'm bored. Just testing it out. Yeah, I guess we really don't have really much else to say. I'll just see how this goes. I'll upload it so you guys can see it, and then I'll probably see you sometime tomorrow for sure. Alright? Alright.